1, 2, 3, 4.
What's that noise?
What noise?
That
Oh,
beam.
That's my trade setup. It must be hitting a key level. That's my trade alert. Let me go see that.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, taking profit like a pro, time to let them know, bank on the phone, no I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro, we getting paid, huh, stacking that money from the trades, huh, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. We here on GBP USD. Let's see what's going on. First thing I notice is 4 hour price action is finally back underneath the 50 moving average on a 4 hour chart. And I'm thinking, I'm trying to find the sentiment. All right, we need to go to the daily, but I'm trying to find the sentiment of this market. So the first thing I'm noticing here is look at this hidden divergence. All right, we're going wick to wick, and look at how price is breaking upward. So you will be like, okay, trade with the trend. Don't take no sales, trade with the trend, right? You know me, I'm gonna find a pocket. But look at that. The momentum, the volume of it, the momentum is losing steam. The RSI is going down, but yet the candles are going up. I think a reversal is about to come, especially this is on the daily. So whenever I see divergence, I'm trying to see if I can find some friction points to wedge it up at the bottom, because the top is already in line. Look at the 4 hour as well. You can see how price is making higher highs ever so slightly, though. Higher highs ever so slightly. You can see it clearly going up, but it's not like, shooting to the moon like aggressively. So I'm like, okay, but the RSI on this 4 hour chart as well is going down. So because we finding this on the higher time frames, it's taking longer. And you can see the market ranging as well. You can see it's really just kind of ranging still. The body of it, obviously you got some peaks shining through, but the body of it is pretty much ranging up there. So we need to zoom out and see if we can find some friction points to put the bottom together. And once we can find some clear friction point areas where we can put this trend line up, now we can have it boxed up like Chinese takeout and wait for it to break. That's it. So that's momentum trading. We're trying to trade with the momentum. Really, we just trying to follow the banks. I call it the FTB strategy. Follow the banks. You feel me? So that's what we're looking at, and it's looking like it's breaking out. I like the fact that it's underneath the 50, and it looked like it's already breaking the trend line. So we call that the money line. Get on that money line, I'm telling you. I got videos teach you how to trade the trend line exactly. Definitely watch those videos. So basically, I'm looking to take a sell. I'm just trying to find my spot. So I think the smartest thing to do is just wait for it to pull back a little bit more so I can get a better entry. Look at price underneath the 50 moving average. Momentum is back to the downside. Also, price is breaking the trend line, right? So take a look at that. Also, look at the 15-minute chart. Price is underneath the 15. Everything is coming together. Now, also is breaking that. You can see it clearly breaking the trend line now. Now, if you want to know how I use the 50 moving average and how I get it to change colors, then watch my 50 moving average video. I'm putting my stop loss right above the 50 moving average in this situation. If buyers can actually push this market up and close above the 50 moving average, then I'm willing to cut my losses short and reassess the situation. So this is going to be a 1-to-1 trade setup, and we're gonna scalp this. In the meantime, I'm gonna head to the office and we're gonna get this merch started for you guys. Let's get it popping. Guys, before we head to the office, I remember being in a place where I always had to sacrifice and have less. Always. Just looking at other people like, man, they living a good life, man, they doing it well. But really, I had to reflect and really just think about this. Like, most of those people, you know, that's got nice cars, they having payments every month. And I had less, but I owned everything that I had. So I think I had to get my head in the right spot. My mindset was take one step back to take 2 steps forward. And that's what I did. It didn't happen overnight, but I remembered why I was doing what I was doing. I remember why I started all of this Forex stuff and learning how to read charts. And I could just say that it paid off, guys. And I know it will for you as well. Just stay determined and relentless. Stay determined and relentless on what you're trying to learn, on what you're trying to accomplish. Stay determined and relentless, and you will master it. Be the master of one thing. Don't be the jack of all trades. You feel me? Once I focused in on one thing, I took off. Let's head to the office.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, making profit like a pro, time to let them know, bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro. We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
All right, guys, I'm thinking about, comment below. Let me know what you think. Come show them this right quick. Should I put it on the sleeve? Team Take Profits, London. It's gonna be a badge. Should I put it on the sleeve? Or should I put it right here? And if I put it here, I think I'm gonna make a bigger one, because that seems kind of little. I don't know, maybe it look all right, but I think about making it a little bit bigger. On the hoodie, see, on the sleeve, it'd be like this, right? It'd be something like this on the sleeve. Or we could put it down here and rock it like a hem tag. You feel me? So show them, you know, with it right here on the hoodie. And I'm gonna have it on the shirts as well. I think I'm gonna put it on the shirts too. I think I'm gonna put it on the shirts down here. It's gonna be a little tag, but on this one I'm gonna have it. It's gonna fold over, so it's gonna be another side to it, and it's gonna fold under, and it's gonna be right here. So all my London people got the British flag with the Team Take Profits on there, representing London all day. All right, you know I went to London. And to spend time with y'all, teach y'all how to trade for free. Well, teach y'all how I trade for free. And I went out there and we had a good time. Y'all showed me a lot of love. You know I'm coming with the flag. All right. And not just for the red, but for the blue as well. We got the blue. Got the blue shirts as well. So these are just samples. I got to fine tune them. I'm having a meeting with my distributor. And we're gonna make sure that the measurements are right. From small, large, extra large, 2X, 3X. The measurements of the logos on the shirts have to be right. The quality, when you wash it, it cannot be breaking down, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. And I like the flag see the flag really pops out on the blue. Boom, flag, rocking the flag here. I want it bigger though. I want the flag to be bigger. Just a little bit bigger. I feel like this is too small. So I'm gonna go back to the drawing board with my distributor. I'm gonna have a phone call with him and we need to make that right. I just need it to be a little bit bigger right in this area. Or comment below if you want it on the sleeve. I feel like if it's on the sleeve, this is a perfect size on the sleeve. You feel me? So, but we making some tune-ups. I won't put out any merch. I won't put out any merch until it's right. So that's what's taking a while. We making sure everything is right. Plus coronavirus, it's taking a long time, but we doing it. We doing it. I'm on the grind, baby. I'm on the grind. Between catching these pips and perfecting this merch. We grinding, baby. We grinding.
What is it now?
Right now it's like 9. It's way too little. Like when it'll pass for the little small, but when you get to extra large and all of that, man, it looked like a joke.
Okay, so do you have a small?
Yeah.
No. You got a sample of small?
Yeah.
I can't remember what we sent you.
Yeah. It looked real tiny. It looked real short. It looks real short. Like there's so much room from the bottom of the design to the pocket.
So there's room then because we're going 1 inch anyway. So there's room to go down.
So I got the chart set up here because I'm staying making this money, but it's looking like we approaching an entry that I had marked up. So I'm about to get to these charts. Actually, let me take y'all with me because we already marked it up earlier, and now price is approaching this breaking this trend line, as you can see. Let me take you on here and let me show you what's happening. So price is looking like we ready to enter. It's basically at an entry, and my entry is 41476. Okay, 41476, 1.41476. Let's go ahead and take an entry now. And if price does pull back, because I'm seeing that it's at a rejection or indecision area right where it's at now. So if price does pull back, we're going to take a second entry. Who knows? But if prices drop now, then that's where we're gonna stick with this one trade. I'm gonna take profit here, and that's a 1-to-1. If you look left, you can see price reverse. That's why I put my take profit down there. You can see this big reversal area right here, and you can see it both ways. Like price reversed there and dropped, price reversed there and took off. So you cannot be naive to that. That is the first area. Whenever you look to take an entry, you first think about where's your stop loss. And then you think about where's the reward, where's the take profit. And you got to quickly think, where is the first area where price is going to stutter? Or where is the first area where price is going to come into trouble, breaking through? And that's your take profit 1. And that's what I always take profit at. And I'm done. So price pulled back just as we expected. Just because you see a little bit of that, the indecision, that reversal right there to the left. So we taking another entry, just like we sticking to the game plan. Nothing is changing. We sticking to the game plan.
I got a bank to break. Who with me? I got a few moves to make. Who with me? I got a flight to take. Let's get it. I got a dream to chase. Go get it. I got a team to...
And I'll speed this up for you. And price is taking off. Price got super close to the stop loss. Super close. But hey, if it don't hit the stop loss, there's nothing to talk about. There's nothing to cry about. There's nothing to talk about. It is what it is. That's trading. Most of the time, trading is going to be just waiting. You got everything set up. You got your plan A, plan B. You got your entries and exits thought out. And all it is just waiting. That's all it is. All right, guys. So we're pretty much here to the finish line. And I mean, this thing was going back and forth like crazy. This is a live chart. A lot of people want to just, they don't like the replay button. Some of you guys understand that nobody's going to sit here for, 4 hours waiting for a trade setup and have the computer recording the whole time. It's insane. So basically, usually, screen record, us taking the entry and, kind of play back what happened. But you got some people that want to see the actual candles moving for some reason. So, it's nothing to hide. We do this. It's just, how do I maximize my time? I don't want to be sitting here bugging down my computer watching these little candlesticks move. It's like watching paint dry on the wall. I got it sped up for you guys now. But in real time, how these candles move. They take forever. I could be watching Netflix while these candles is moving. You feel me? To my take profit. I could be watching basketball or something. Instead of just having my computer recording it, taking precious memory up. But anyways, it's good to be dynamic and do things for, you know, all of my YouTube family. So you can see price reject right here, right at the take profit level. It's insane. Do not neglect. People say, how far do you go back to find these levels? You go back as far as you need to go back. Understand me. Because all of these levels play off of each other at some point. So when you're trying to find a take profit level, find that nearest resistance where price is going to, you know, have trouble at, and you call that your take profit 1 and stick to the plan. Either you get stopped out or you're going to be in profit, or you're going to take profit. You understand? So you can see price, it basically came all the way up. It did close past the 50 because the, you know, price kept going down and back and forth, so the 50 came down a little bit, but it did not close past my stop loss. All right, the stop loss is at the same spot as I had it before, so I got it there for a reason. So in order for me to get out of this trade, it got to stop me out. You feel me? End the discussion. So now you see why I take profit. That is my name. That is my motto. Team Take Profits. Because I'm not messing around with these markets, man. These markets is pulling back, going back and forth. The Forex market, you know how I do. Faking people out. I'm not going to be that guy that get faked out. I'm taking profit. I'm following my plan, and I'm taking profit. Simple as that. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. It's been a long day. Got a lot of stuff done. Very, very productive day. Making sure the merch is right. I actually have to ship off that. I have to shift those samples that you saw back to the distributor, and he need to fix that stuff, and then he need to show them, because I'm not releasing anything that's low quality. It has to be right for you guys. You guys show me love and support. Y'all my YouTube family, and y'all deserve the best. But I just wanted to say, man, like, remember why you started. You see what's behind me. I keep that there for a reason when I'm working on the computer and different things. Remember why you started. Okay, was it for your family to get it, you know, out of debt, or was it for, you know, to help your mom, retire your mom, or buy them a new place? Whatever it is, remember your why. Help out, you know, the family in general. So remember your why. When you're in the market, especially us YouTubers, right? We're on YouTube and we're trying to help, but it can become, you know, something where we start losing ourselves and we start trying to put on a show, and we should not. Anybody that's doing YouTube videos, don't, and specifically trading, don't try to put on a show. Stay real, be who you are, because as soon as you start to try to get out of your game plan, try to impress your viewers, impress the people, you're going to really start losing money, and then you're going to have to start trying to fake it to make it. We don't want to operate like that. We want to operate out of abundance, but we want to stay true to ourselves, okay? And for you guys that's watching, that's trading, you know, just stick to your plan. If you don't see your trade set up, don't trade it. It's not worth it. This is not that type of game. This is not that type of industry where you can just come in and lollygag and take massive risks. No, you cannot do that. If it don't align with your trading style, with your strategy, with your methods, your rules, then you don't touch it. That trade becomes disgusting. That's how you got to think about it. If you woke up late because you was lazy, or, you know, whatever it is, and the entry is gone, you got to let that go. Create a plan B for a pullback zone or something like that. Create a plan B. Look at another pair, but you got to let that go, and you got to eat that. So, you know what I mean? So stay disciplined. We just need to take this thing up. This is about to be end of 2021. We about to go in 2022, and we cannot be acting the same way that we did a year ago, 2 years ago. We cannot be acting like that in the Forex market. We got to be disciplined traders. They talk about us being retail traders. They dog us out. Yes, technically we are retail traders, but I'm teaching the team how to think bigger than that, how to think like the banks, how to follow the banks. You know what I mean? That's how I trade. FTB, follow the banks, baby. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. And remember why you started. Peace.